Right, back here on Kyle's COE, Scotty got pretty much 3 out of 4 of the radiator mounting brackets done. Good enough. Everything is sealed up on the cooling system. So I went ahead and I filled our radiator with coolant. We are completely full. Nothing has leaked so far. So we got that. So now we need to wire up our fan control. Scotty's got the temp sender all in. We just got to expand that wiring. He's got the thermostat changed too. And Kyle, I was right. The old thermostat was a 180. It's right here. Oop, there we are. So we put a 160 in it. And we should be good to go. Didn't need the gasket either because you've got a billet thermostat housing. So we took and went ahead and put that back because it's O-ringed. So good to go.